No, definitely not.
And if you see me fall, what are you going to say?
We saw it. A tree fell in the woods.
So how much are these one way? 150. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, we put $1 on that.
What we need is we got 150, 150, one more dollar there.
I got you. Tree.
I don't think this one is working.
Did they don't have the instructions in the Aquish?
No, it's like you first hit with you. Oh, you know what? Probably I didn't press the mic.
Yeah, when's the last time we took the subway?
It's been a while. Okay, your chance. Okay, whatever.
The Smith too.
Give me back to the beginning. Paper. Okay. And then I want to do one way. Okay, now we're good. Sorry. Good. Now we got the green light. Green is important. It's going to give us change. We have to go back through again.
And then do it all over again?
Yeah, they give me my ticket.
That's not cool.
Drop the quarter, you might have to get that. Got that? That's really nice of you.
That's very
I could
nice.
have got it a lot more way. Uh-oh.
You're a mess today, Tree. Get that little quarter action right here going. Need that right here.
And we got another ticket coming up, guys. Let's go. Oh, yeah, here, give them one of them so that they'll have which one of them. Give them the flyers.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, treeman.com. You can become my friends on Facebook and everything. Thank you very much. Tree.
Oh, you can get closer.
Subway today.
He doesn't bite.
Come on, we don't want to miss our train, guys. Uh-oh. They got to turn it on. The little small one. On and off, it won't do it anymore. Battery could die.
Oh, that sucks.
We can send you one.
Yes, we could take a picture for you guys. Here.
We'll take a. You can take a picture with our camera. We'll make sure
You
you
could
get it.
take that.
Come
And then...
close. Oh, she has another.